Hi everybody, it's Bryce. Hey, I've got another little video for you. I've got a friend that has a 2013 Silverado pickup truck with a 5.3 engine, and he has a check engine light on, and I've pursued the trouble code, done a little diagnostics on it. The sending unit is a pretty common problem on these, needs to be replaced. And what I'm going to do is show you a couple of things about how to do that. So the trouble code that we have is a P0521 symptom 00 engine oil pressure sensor performance. And what we're going to do is we're going to replace the sending unit, which is this guy right here. And for this particular model and engine, that's the part number for it. I recommend a GM one. It seems like the quality is a little bit better on those. And directly below that is a screen. There's a part number for it. In the engine, below this sending unit, is where this screen goes. That's how it's located in the engine, directly underneath of it. So when you remove the sensor, you go in there and pull that screen up out of there. And a little trick to do that is to take a 5/16 fine thread bolt, thread into that, pull it out. And that looks easy here on the bench, but technically it's back here in the back of the engine. You gotta remove the engine cover, lay it to the side, it just pulls off of there. And back in here, that shiny socket is where the oil pressure sending unit is. And that's where you have to get to. And one little trick that I have for that is to use a 6-inch extension along with a swivel. An impact swivel works best because it won't lay over very far. You know, that's as far as it'll lay over, and it's pretty handy to get down behind there to get down on that. And as you can see, I've got another one back there, and you can reach the extension with your ratchet right here. That's the easiest way to get to it, and reach your hand behind there. Of course, you got to take the wiring connector off before you do that. That's going to be a challenge in itself. But that's where it's located. Replace that, put your wiring back on, clear the computer memory, and clear that computer memory, and then you can do your road test. One thing you should do, I highly recommend on these, if you have an oil pressure issues, put a General Motors or an AC Delco oil filter on it. For some reason, it's made a difference to us. We have no trouble with Wicks or Napa either. Those are good. So just a heads up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.